Wall-mounted wood craft pieces have become an increasingly popular choice in home decor, offering a unique blend of aesthetics, functionality, and emotional resonance. The benefits of these decorative elements extend far beyond mere visual appeal, impacting the overall ambience of a space, enhancing the sense of identity within a home, and fostering a deeper connection between individuals and their living environments. As homeowners seek to create personalized and inviting spaces, wall-mounted wood crafts serve as a versatile and meaningful option. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of wall-mounted wooden craft ideas you can use in your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wall-mounted wood craft pieces have become an increasingly popular choice in home decor, offering a unique blend of aesthetics, functionality, and emotional resonance. The benefits of these decorative elements extend far beyond mere visual appeal, impacting the overall ambience of a space, enhancing the sense of identity within a home, and fostering a deeper connection between individuals and their living environments. As homeowners seek to create personalized and inviting spaces, wall-mounted wood crafts serve as a versatile and meaningful option. One of the most immediate advantages of wall-mounted wood craft pieces is their natural beauty. Wood possesses an organic quality that brings warmth and texture to any room. Unlike synthetic materials, each wooden piece carries its own unique grain patterns, color variations, and imperfections, making it a one-of-a-kind addition to home decor. This distinctiveness allows homeowners to curate an environment that reflects their personal style, creating a visual narrative that resonates with their tastes and values. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, wall-mounted wood craft pieces can serve as focal points within a room. A thoughtfully placed wooden art piece or decorative shelf can draw the eye and create a sense of balance in the decor. This intentional placement fosters a harmonious design, where each element complements the others rather than competing for attention. By selecting wood crafts that resonate with the overall theme of a room, homeowners can enhance the flow and cohesiveness of their spaces, making them more inviting and enjoyable. Moreover, wood has a tactile quality that adds depth to interior spaces. The texture of wood contrasts beautifully with smoother surfaces, such as painted walls or polished furniture, creating a dynamic interaction within the room. This tactile experience can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity, as many people associate wood with nature and traditional craftsmanship. The sensory impact of wall-mounted wood crafts can contribute to a more immersive environment, where guests feel welcomed and at ease. Functionality is another significant benefit of incorporating wall-mounted wood crafts into home decor. Many pieces serve dual purposes, combining aesthetic appeal with practicality. For example, wooden shelves not only display decorative items, but also provide essential storage solutions. This versatility is particularly valuable in smaller spaces, where maximizing functionality is crucial. Wall-mounted wood crafts can help declutter surfaces while still offering a visually pleasing arrangement, promoting an organized and serene living environment. In addition, wall-mounted wood crafts can contribute to a sense of belonging and identity within a home. Many individuals choose to display family photos, artwork, or handmade pieces that hold personal significance. These personal touches create a narrative that reflects the occupants' lives, fostering a sense of connection to the space. By incorporating wooden elements that resonate with their experiences, homeowners can cultivate an environment that feels uniquely theirs, enhancing their emotional attachment to their living spaces. The emotional resonance of wood crafts extends beyond personal connections. Wood itself carries symbolic meanings that can influence the atmosphere of a home. For example, wood is often associated with growth, stability, and strength qualities that many individuals seek to embody in their living spaces. By surrounding themselves with wood elements, homeowners can create a sanctuary that reflects their values and aspirations, contributing to a positive emotional environment. Sustainability is an increasingly important consideration in modern home decor, and wood can be a sustainable choice when sourced responsibly. Many artisans prioritize eco-friendly practices, using reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood to create their products. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the environment, but also allows consumers to make conscientious choices that align with their values. By choosing wall-mounted wood crafts made from sustainable materials, homeowners can contribute to a healthier planet while enhancing their living spaces. Furthermore, the craftsmanship involved in creating wooden decor pieces often speaks to a deeper appreciation for artistry and skill. Many woodworkers take pride in their craft, using traditional techniques that have been passed down through generations. By incorporating handcrafted items into their homes, individuals can support local artisans and preserve the art of woodworking. This appreciation for craftsmanship fosters a deeper connection to the decor and the stories behind each piece, enriching the overall experience of living with these items. The versatility of wall-mounted wood crafts extends to their compatibility with various design elements. Wood can be paired with metals, textiles, and ceramics to create a layered look that adds interest and complexity to a room. For instance, a wooden wall art piece can be beautifully complemented by metal frames or woven textiles, creating a harmonious blend of textures and materials. This versatility allows homeowners to experiment with different styles and arrangements, making it easy to refresh the decor without significant investment or effort. Moreover, wall-mounted wood crafts can adapt to changing trends and personal tastes. Unlike more permanent fixtures, wooden decor pieces can be easily swapped out or rearranged, allowing for a dynamic design that evolves over time. This adaptability is especially beneficial for those who enjoy redecorating or updating their spaces periodically. By investing in timeless wooden pieces, homeowners can create a foundation for their decor that remains relevant even as trends shift, making them a wise choice for long-term use. In terms of maintenance, wall-mounted wood crafts are often easier to care for than other materials. While they do require some attention to preserve their beauty, the upkeep is generally straightforward. Simple dusting and occasional polishing can keep wooden pieces looking fresh and vibrant. This low-maintenance quality makes wood decor a practical choice for busy households, allowing individuals to focus on enjoying their spaces rather than constant upkeep. The psychological effects of wood decor should not be overlooked either. Studies have shown that natural materials, including wood, can positively influence mood and well-being. The presence of wood in living spaces has been linked to reduced stress and increased feelings of relaxation. This calming effect can contribute to a more peaceful home environment, where individuals can retreat from the demands of daily life. By incorporating wall-mounted wood crafts, homeowners can create a sanctuary that promotes mental and emotional well-being. Additionally, using wall-mounted wood crafts can inspire creativity and self-expression. The process of selecting, arranging, and displaying these pieces allows individuals to engage with their personal style and preferences. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wall-mounted wooden craft ideas you can use in your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.